My friend Pilar loves eating her eggs drowned in salsa with nopalitos. So I'm gonna pump up el sabor by spooning them over crunchy, cheesy molletes. The first thing I'm gonna do is slice this onion. I'm gonna cook it over medium heat. So you remove the top. Remember to fold your fingers so you don't slice your fingers. Adding the onion right in here. I don't want them to crunch, so it's medium heat. And the next thing I'm going to add are my nopalitos. They come with a chile or two. And I'm adding another bottle. So now we're mixing the nopalitos with the onion and I'm adding a little bit of salt. We want the nopales to exude all of their viscous liquid and we want it to dry up and we want the nopales to start browning just a little. And I'm gonna build my mollete. So molletes are this bread with refried beans covered with a lot of melty cheese, and then you can eat them like that, just with salsa or pico de gallo, but today we're gonna top them with the eggs, with grated Oaxaca cheese, but you can use any melty cheese of your choice. We're gonna go in there for about 7 to 8 minutes, just until the cheese melts. And the next thing I'm gonna do, once they brown a little, is add the Mexican salsa. And it is simmering all around the edges. So we're gonna nest the eggs in here. Okay, this is so messy and I'm trying to make a design for you, so I hope you guys appreciate. A little salt on top of the eggs as they cook. 4 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna check on my molletes and clean these up. We got the gigantic mollete. Adding some red onion just for color, and okay, it'll give it a nice crunch. And even though the molletes have melty cheese, I'm doing grated cotija cheese on top. Okay, you know you can eat these with your hands, but that would be one gigantic, crazy mess. I should cut into it. Yay, yum. I don't even know which side to show you. Every side of it is gorgeous. The perfectly runny egg. Yum. Oh, look at the yolk. Could this be any more perfect? You guys, I don't know what to say. This is so good. I'm gonna eat this piece with my hands. You can eat it with a fork, you can eat it with a knife, you can eat it with your hands, but this is one crazy way to pump up el sabor. Need I say more?